Hi everybody, I'm Tushat, and today we are going to install SureLog version 9. And first we're gonna check Windows Defender. If it's on, we're gonna turn it off. For me it's already off, so you should check, because it may block the installing process or it may cause problems. So after that we're gonna check user account settings. User account control settings, and never notify. We're gonna make it never notify. This may cause problems about users sometimes. After we're gonna run the SureLog as administrator. For the downloading, you may choose different disks, InfoBright and SureLog, and for downloading process I will cut them off because of the shorter video, and repair or install when you will see this screen. So close and InfoBright. Next, I agree, install, which is the. You may see little problems with InfoBright, like it's errors, like it's just click OK, nothing important, and OK. And OK, and finish. I will cut the command line downloading process, installing processes, and finish. After we finish, just open the browser and localhost 8099, and we will see the interface. And we're gonna need a key. When we generate a key, then paste register key. Wait a second, and we are ready to use.